How to keep your ZZ plant thriving with lush green leaves. Follow these essential care tips. 1. Watering frequency. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry completely between waterings. Typically every 2 to 3 weeks. Less in winter method, use the soak and dry technique. Water thoroughly, then let excess drain out. Avoid soggy soil to prevent root rot. Water type: use filtered or distilled water. Or let tap water sit overnight to reduce chlorine fluoride, which can cause leaf tip burn. 2. Light. Ideal conditions: bright, indirect light tolerates low light but grows slower. Avoid direct sunlight to prevent leaf scorching. 3. Soil and potting. Soil mix. Use well-draining soil such as a cactus succulent mix, amended with perlite or sand. Drainage: ensure pots have drainage holes. Repot every 2 to 3 years or when root-bound. For fertilizing schedule. Feed with a balanced diluted liquid fertilizer, e.g. October 10th, every 2 to 3 months during spring-summer. Avoid over-fertilizing. 5. Temperature and humidity. Temperature: keep in 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid drafts and temperatures below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius. Humidity: average household humidity, sufficient. Avoid misting to prevent fungal issues. 6. Leaf care. Cleaning. Wipe leaves gently with a damp cloth or soft brush to remove dust. Rinse occasionally under lukewarm water. Pruning: trim yellow or damaged leaves at the base with sterilized scissors to maintain appearance and health. 7. Pest management prevention. Inspect regularly for pests like spider mites or mealybugs. Treat infestations with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Isolate affected plants. 8. Toxicity note. Keep away from pets and children, as ZZ plants are toxic if ingested. 9. General tips. Neglect tolerance: ZZ plants thrive with minimal fuss. Overcare, e.g. overwatering, over-fertilizing, is more harmful than neglect. Propagation: divide rhizomes, or use leaf cuttings to manage size or propagate new plants. By adhering to these guidelines, your ZZ plant will maintain its glossy green foliage and robust health for years to come.